Alright, last morning of the trip. Think we're going to get it done last minute. Think somebody's going to kill a big bull. We got a good supper last night, so it's time to hike this morning. See if we can't kill one.
With a piece in my hand and bloodshot eyes, I walked to the water for a last goodbye. He begged so much, it clouded my mind. One thing's clear, the man's gotta die. It makes right, so he said, when he held all the keys over our head. I lived in that grip, but now he'll learn at the end with the tables turned. Lord, forgive me. Take me on down the river where the guilt can't find a red-handed sinner. On where the grave can't cry out, 'cause I done wrong. Down the river with a hand on a Colt and a finger on the trigger. And long before dawn they try to find me. So take me on down.
Sounds like there's cows down in there.
think that's going to wrap up the hunting side of this trip.
Got pretty close though.
Yeah. This is honestly the first bull that we've had on this trip that actually responded more than one bugle. And we located this bull from several miles from here, up near where we camped, and dropped down a bunch of ridges. He continued to bugle. We dropped down in the bottom, got on this road, run this road up, came back up above him, had the thermals right, and the whole time he continued to bugle until we got to within probably, I know 100% we were less than 500 yards from him, but we're thinking we're probably closer to like 200 or 300 yards from him was the last time he bugled, and I just think he wasn't interested. I think he was kind of heading towards where he wanted to bed, and I think the closer we got to him, he was bugling, but he wasn't aggressive at all. He was just kind of saying, "Hey, I'm here," and just kind of pushed out. These guys got to drive home tonight, so we're cutting it off. It's like 9:15, so we still got to work our way back to camp and get camp put up, packed up, and packed back to the truck. So it's been fun. That was what elk hunting's supposed to be, but that's not what we've been experiencing for whatever reason.
Live and learn.
I guarantee you next week they're gonna be on fire, probably.
That's exactly what I'm thinking too. Like literally on fire. I'm gonna come back
Come back.
for a weekend. Yeah, firework here.
So we're gonna sit here and eat a snack, start working our way back to camp. And maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe we'll get lucky and shoot one in the road on the way back to camp.
You never know.
Never know.
Over to your out of state.
Yep. Sad the narration.
Right there? Is that a good one or no?
Get the pack off! To the end.
Yep.
End of the trip.
Dies.
1 for 3. That's pretty good average for
bad.
baseball, though.
That's alright. In baseball. Baseball. Pretty good.
Y'all are good. It's fine. But no, we had a good time. Ended up getting on some elk this morning. First time in what?
Time.
Yeah.
Since last Saturday.
Yeah, since last Saturday, pretty much. But we gotta get out of town. We're gonna go get my meat and all that stuff set up and figure out how I'm gonna fly home. And these guys got a long freaking drive home. Not jealous of that at all. I'm glad my flight's only 3 hours. But anyway, had a good time. If you've never been out west doing any kind of public land hunting like this, you need to come try it. It's a great experience. It was these guys' first time backpacking. We had a blast. Learned a lot. Learned a lot of stuff we'll do again and won't do the next time. So it was overall a good trip.
Yep.
Had a great time.
On to
So
the next hunt.
on to the next
Yep.
hunt. What y'all is a rifle?
Well, I have a hog hunt next Saturday. And then in October it'll be Millie.
And then you got elk tag.
Elk and mule deer.
So he's leaving to go elk hunt again.
Yep.
So I'm jealous of that. for sure. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll send you a picture right here. Hell yeah.
Anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed this series. Hopefully you've gotten something out of it. I guess after this it'll be the mule deer hunt probably coming to the channel, so keep an eye out for that. and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, well, unfortunately, the day-by-day elk series has came to an end. We had a blast. It seems like it always works out this way. On the last day, you wind up getting into something and you can't really pursue it. These guys had a long trip home. I think it was 10 or 12 hours, I want to say, back to Arizona. So they wanted to get leaving by a certain time. We bugled this bull up. He responded from a long ways off. We went after him. I think it ended up being 3.5 miles or so from where our camp was, is where we ended up kind of losing where the bull was. And as you can see, we got into this horrible deadfall and we just couldn't keep up with him. I don't think we bumped him. I think the elk had an idea where he wanted to go to bed. And I think the closer we got to him, I don't think we were pushing him. I think he was just continually going. I think had we had another day or so, we probably could have killed that bull. We went up after him after we got to about, I think the closest we got was probably a couple hundred yards from him while he was still bugling. And I just think, once again, I think he was quiet. I don't think he wanted to fight. I think there just were, the smoke got super bad that morning. And I don't know, guys, I'm not an expert, but I have heard that when the smoke starts coming in like that, it does keep them from bugling a whole lot. Anyway, so we went in after this elk. We got to that time point where they were like, hey, we got to go back. We need to be leaving. So we ended up pulling out and going back to camp and packing up. Left the elk on the mountain. Somebody may have gotten him, I don't know, but it seemed like they were going to start getting fired up. I think that next week, after we left, I think that next week was going to be a really good week to hunt there. Unfortunately, we just couldn't stay. So, anyways, guys, I hope this series has inspired y'all to get out there and do this. Anybody can do this, guys. I'm telling you, I'm being honest about that. I don't make any more money than the next guy. I just choose to make things work. I'm fortunate to have an amazing wife that allows me to do this kind of stuff, and I'm blessed with that. Thanks for watching this stuff, guys. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below and ask me and let me know. If there's anything that you think we could have done better, anything you want to see in my films, please let me know. And once again, guys, I'm so blessed that you guys continue to watch and support my channel. And hopefully you have a good elk season. Good luck to y'all. I hope to have dropped these prior to elk season starting. I know I'm cutting it down to the wire, guys, and I'm probably not going to make it for all states, but hopefully this series has inspired you and got you pumped for elk season. I know I'm pumped watching this footage, and I'm just ready to get in the woods myself. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to live your life to the fullest and use your passions to bless others. We'll catch you on the next video, guys.